Hello, thanks for watching this video. I'm Luis Garcia, and well, first of all, excuse me because English is not my native language and I can make big mistakes, but anyway, I will try to do my best. Um, Another thing I want to clarify is that I'm not a coder, I'm a 3D artist, but I like to play with code, so in order to improve my workflow from Blender to Unreal Engine 4, I create an add-on and I call it Unreal Engine Tools, and I make to public. So I thought that could be fine if I have some videos demonstrating how it works and what you can do with this add-on. So let me show you very quick. This add-on have three set of tools, as you can see on this panel. Have scene tools for set up correctly the scenes for transfer the objects from Blender to Unreal Engine 4. Also have rename tools that help in the process, especially in the process for rename all the collision objects, and then have export tools that help in the process for export the FBX more fluidly, really in a couple clicks. So the scene tools, as you can see here, have very few options. One for set up the scale of the scene, and then another for set up the scale of the objects in the scene at the same time in centimeters, so at the correct scale for the Unreal Engine 4. And then I have a place for additional tools, and for now I only have one tool here for set the pivot point for the collision objects at the correct place. You will see later on the next videos what that means. Then I have rename tools. These tools are based on the existing tools for Blender called batch rename data blocks. It's a really cool script, but I prefer to have in the tool shelf instead of as a modal operator. So I rewrite for have it here, and also I include some options specially adapted to rename the collision meshes for the use in the Unreal Engine. You will see later. So the last options here are the export tools. On this panel you can find three different pre-made settings, so really quick, in 1 or 2 clicks you can export the meshes along with the collision objects, and also have a really cool feature, at least for me, for not have a limitation to one object per layer. That means that you can have multiple objects on a layer in different positions, and then you can export the objects with the pivot point at the center, so in the correct place for the rotations, etc. So that's a quick view of the add-on. I hope you like it, and I hope this add-on can improve your workflow like for me. If I find more things that I can implement on this add-on while I'm working with the Unreal Engine, etc., I will add it here. If you have any comment or suggestion, also you can do it, but I can't promise anything. And well, if you like, you can follow the next videos. On the next video, I will show how to install the add-on and how works the scene tools. And well, I hope I see you on the next video.